welcome to my channel. If you are a lover of natural hair, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela. So as you can tell by the title, this is another headband wig video that you guys literally cannot mess up. I feel like this is extremely beginner friendly because those of you who can't really do the whole wig thing, for sure like me, you're gonna love this. I showed you guys in the last headband wig headband wig, it's like almost like a tongue twister. But the last headband wig video, it was the curly texture that mimicked my natural hair pattern really well. So I wanted to do something totally different and get a straight hair one. So if I wanted to switch it up and have some hang time going on, I definitely can. So this one is by Julia Hair, and I love this because one, it's really soft. When I tell you this is literally straight out the box, I haven't applied any heat to this at all. So it is pretty darn straight and pretty close to my hair color. It's black. So I'm going to show you guys how I put it on, and I feel like in the last video I didn't really show you guys my whole like braid pattern under it, to be honest. I can't remember if I did or not, but this is like an actual braid out. This is how I would do my actual braid outs. So this is like a 2-in-1 type hairstyle. This is why I said it's extremely versatile. If you wanted to completely do a twist out or braid out under these wigs, you really could, especially just letting it dry all the way. As far as being like a whole natural hair person, I always feel like the drying time is what really ticks me off, because if you take your braids or twist down too early and it's still damp, you just did all that work for nothing. So what better way to kind of mask it up instead of putting a hat on or a scarf on or just throwing it in a bun and just vamping it up with the headband wig. And like I said, you really cannot like mess this up, you know. I mean, it literally is just a matter of you plopping this on, having your braids kind of tucked or tucked back, and having your edges slicked down how you like it. Like honestly, doing your whole little swoops and whoops is really what makes it look pretty darn realistic, and having that headband cover this. So just so I can show you guys what I have going on under here, these are my braids for my braid out, which I will be taking down, and I probably will show you guys in a video on like Instagram or something. But these braids are super duper juicy. They're pretty much dry, honestly, because I've had these in for about a day now. So they're definitely ready to be taken down. All I simply did was pin back the 2 in the front. So I have in total 2, 4, 6, 8 braids. So 2 on the front, 2 in the back on each side, and I just pinned the front 2 back, so it looks like this. And then I just take a stocking cap that they gave me, and I just kind of like to flip it like this and put it on from the back. So just going like this, and then we are going to pull this back a little bit so it can look like so. And see, it's pretty darn flat, so no need for me to do the whole tiny little micro braids back, because I cannot part for my life, y'all, and it's just so annoying to me, and I just really don't have the patience for it. So anything that's ABC 1, 2, 3 is for me. So as you can see in the inside, this one came with 2 combs. Now the other one I had 4, but that's totally okay. So I'm just gonna apply it from this back comb. Alright, so this is what it looks like from attaching the back comb. I'm just going to take the front comb and kind of just insert it where the stocking cap is. Honestly, I don't really try to put it where my braids are. I feel like that'll kind of mess it up, especially because I plan on taking these braids down. So kind of just get it to where it just stays in place. That's all you want. And then you're going to take the headband grip that is Velcro, and we're gonna move this hair to the side so it's not in the way. Then just take the Velcro and attach it to your liking on the back. I kind of like making mine kind of like making mine a little tight, just so it'll stay on, not too tight, but you know, kind of taut. And it should look a little like this. Now with this, see how it's kind of like bulging out? What I'm gonna do is just take a bobby pin, and this is a jumbo bobby pin, and just kind of tuck that in to keep it in place and keep it down. You see that? Again, that just makes it a little bit more secure, and pull it back just a tiny bit just to make sure it's sitting behind my ear nicely. And I'm gonna do the other side. And now I'm gonna brush. Really not much shedding, which is another good thing, because who wants a quick wig to be like shedding a lot, you know? And again, this is literally straight out the box, y'all, like no heat. So look how straight this is. Like you literally can plop this on and go. Now let's apply some cute headbands. All right, so I'm gonna come a little closer just to show you guys. Now the trick with these headbands to kind of cover everything up, I kind of like to fold this back a little bit because it's like really thick. Honestly, you could get away with wearing this if you wanted to. I would just probably put on another black headband just so you can't see the line of demarcation of where like the hair is sewn onto it. But we have this cute little pearl headband. Now something as thin as this, honestly, is not gonna be that cute. Because I mean, like, it really just can't cover that. But it's a cute headband, so shout out to Julia Hair, thank you. But let's try like this cheetah print one. Really, it's just a matter of trying to hide that black piece to it, and it looks like this. And I've honestly showed you guys how to, you know, rock different headbands with this. So it's really self-explanatory, not too hard. That's why I love it. It's extremely convenient and really easy, and just, it's quick. Like, did y'all see how quick this was? Like, honestly, I'm talking to y'all, so this video is longer than it really has to be. But it's self-explanatory, especially in my last one, because I did an entire like little lookbook with different headbands. But as you can see, I have a ton. Now I was sent the same one like 3 times in this one box, so I'm gonna pick 2 lucky winners in the comment section down below. So comment 3 hearts and then follow me on Instagram and DM me for your headband. 2 lucky winners, because I have 3 of these, so let me know. And that is pretty much it, y'all. Like, I love this. And then just to show you guys how long it is, all right, now to show you guys with just a plain black headband, because that cheetah print obviously doesn't match with my camouflage tracksuit. But see, it just looks pretty seamless. Again, this is just another one on top of the one that actually came on the wig, which you don't want that line of demarcation to show. And it looks pretty darn good. So like I said, you don't even have to hot comb your edges or anything. Just slick your hair back, throw this on, and now you have some inches, okay? And this was straight out the box. No flat iron, no hot comb, no curling wand. Like, I'm really impressed, and this is a winner in my stash. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And like I said, to win one of these extra headbands, comment 3 hearts in the comment section and follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela. DM me that you are entering into win one of these headbands, and I will choose a winner. But other than that, definitely make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.